if you're new to the HVAC trade, these are the 5 tools that I would suggest you get first to start. First is an 8-in-1 HVAC. You get the 1/4 inch and 5/16 nut driver, a Schrader tool, a thermostat screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips, and a 3/16 Phillips, and a 3/8 inch nut driver. Then a Milwaukee 6-in-1. It's a needle nose or long nose, strippers and cutters, dedicated crimper, clamp meter, and a light so you can see what you're doing. The 8-in-1 so that you can take apart cabinets and tighten up connections. The needle nose stripper crimper so that you can take off stake-ons, cut wire, strip wire. The crimpers so that you can crimp on new connections. The clamp meter so that you can tell if it's an electrical problem and what the problem is. And the light so that you can see what you're doing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.